This one is called boat gas. What is boat gas? Is that like the gas in the engine, or this is like boat flatulence? I don't know, okay? We can just roll with this, okay? So we go with some frozen, I shouldn't be mentioning flatulence in a drink video because that turn people off. Anyway, we put in our limeade, come behind that with some tequila. So just forget what I said earlier, okay? We pour in the tequila, come behind that with some beer. Is there anything we're not adding to this? Okay, because there's a lot of stuff in here, all right? Add in some beer. Are we done? No, we give that a nice little stir. Get that limeade to melt, and we are good. Look at that deliciousness, okay? Plop in some ice cubes, okay, just to raise the level a little bit, then drop in some lime slices. Homeboy, this is pretty straightforward, okay? It ain't much that you have to do here. Stir it up, and you are good to go. Keeping it simple, pour it into your nice little solo cup like thingy things. Don't spill it, woman. Pour it into the solo cup, and we are good to go. Stay tipsy.